I'm just telling you the basic concept of neural mobilization. First thing, why we are doing this neural mobilization? किस केस में इंडिकेटेड है? हाँ, a person is suffering from any kind of neuropathic pain, हाँ, या a person is suffering from any kind of exactly, ठीक है, कोई सेंसरी डेफिसिट है पेशेंट को, मोटर एबनॉर्मेलिटीज हैं, टोन एबनॉर्मेलिटीज हैं, दीज आर द पॉइंट्स वेयर वी कैन डू परफॉर्म दिस न्यूरल मोबिलाइजेशन. व्हाट आर द कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशन? क्योंकि मेरा फोकस उस पर ज्यादा होता है. कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशंस क्या रखने हैं हमें? क्या होते हैं? पोस्ट ऑपरेटिव है, इमीडिएटली पोस्ट ऑपरेटिव है, नेवर परफॉर्म द न्यूरल मोबिलाइजेशन ओवर द अफेक्टेड एरिया. ओवर द अफेक्टेड एरिया डिस्टिल कर सकते हो, लेकिन ओवर द अफेक्टेड एरिया नहीं करना है. पोस्ट फ्रैक्चर केसेस हैं, वहां नहीं करना है, ठीक है. तो कुछ ऐसे सीन्स हैं, पेशेंट कोऑपरेटिव नहीं है एंड ऑल दैट, तो इन सब चीजों में तुम न्यूरल मोबिलाइजेशन परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते हो. तो फॉर न्यूरल मोबिलाइजेशन फर्स्ट इट इज द डायनामिक मोबिलाइजेशन ऑफ द नर्व. यस, सो एक्चुअली हम मोबिलाइज क्या करते हैं? कौन सा पार्ट हमारा मोबिलाइज हो रहा है? व्हाट यू थिंक कि तुम पूरा का पूरा न्यूरॉन अंदर की न्यूरॉन मोबिलाइज कर दे रहे हो? यू मैक्सिमली रीच टू समवेयर योर मेनिंजियल लेयर्स, ओके, एंड योर पेरिन्यूरियम एपिन्यूरियम लेयर, ठीक है. उसके बाद बहुत हाई फोर्स चाहिए होता है एक नर्व को प्रॉपरली मोबिलाइज करने के लिए. This is the thing, like we have to check out for the different angle. We keep joints on the different angle, so put them on the stress, under stress. So we have, picture I have shared in the group is something ULTT, that is upper limb tension test. So tension tests are the something, they are the test also and they are the rehab also, okay. So first we have to figure it out that the test which I am doing for the patient, it is positive for that or not. For example, now we are considering, let's consider first starting with the median nerve, of course, ठीक है. अब median nerve patient position is very important. If I am treating the upper limb, so I'll have my patient somewhat in a diagonal manner. Go over there and put your shoulder over here. Fine, come over here, shove कर, वरना दिखेगा नहीं तुम्हें, ठीक है. Then what you have to do, you have both the things. अभी right now like this couch is fine. थोड़ा सा chair बेटा और side up. That's it. Median and starting with the median nerve, right? Okay. So अब median nerve के लिए we are having we have to work. Median nerve is coming from here, okay? Like if brachial plexus is there and the median nerve is coming here over, then forearm में no supply, then supplying it on the hand over these three fingers, ठीक है. तो अभी इसको कंप्रेस करने के लिए वी हैव ट्रिगर थिंग्स. तो फर्स्ट थिंग विच इज वेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड, हम कंपोनेंट वाइज चलते हैं. कैसे चलते हैं? कंपोनेंट वाइज. तो लुक एट द पिक्चर, व्हाट इज द कंपोनेंट रिटन इन दैट? First component at shoulder component, and what has been written over there? Shoulder, depression and abduction. Why it is there, depression and abduction? Because when I depress, sorry beta, when I depress this thing, then this will put us some stretch sort of thing in the median nerve. So this shoulder depression is very important component among this. And why abduction? Because it is situated over here, in this aspect. So till the time I'm not tucking it over here, stretch won't come. So I have to put a stretch. तो अब हम कंपोनेंट वाइज जाएंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल अब शोल्डर कंपोनेंट में लिखा है डिप्रेशन एंड एब्डक्शन. नेक्स्ट कंपोनेंट इज एल्बो एक्सटेंशन, इजंट इट? तो अब मैं ये नहीं करूंगी इफ आई एम चेकिंग फॉर अ पेशेंट कि इसका मीडियन नर्व हमें टेस्ट करना है एंड इफ इट इज पॉजिटिव और नॉट, तो आई एम नेवर गोइंग टू डू दिस कि मैंने शोल्डर कंपोनेंट एक्सटेंशन और मैंने सीधे लेटे उसका हाथ ऐसे चेक कर दिया. इफ द पेन वाज देयर इट विल द पेशेंट कैन शाउट, लाइक पेशेंट का पेन एग्रेवेट कर सकता है. यू हैव टू चेक इट कंपोनेंट वाइज. द फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट इज शोल्डर डिप्रेशन. अब डिप्रेशन करने में बच्चे क्या करते हैं? फिर शोल्डर डिप्रेस करने के लिए, एंड योर पोजीशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, योर काउच हाइट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट शुड बी लाइक वेयर यू कैन मोबिलाइज द थिंग फ्रॉम योर pelvis, okay? ASIS. So even now this is a bit a lower couch for me right now, okay? So you have to manage the height of the couch, then only you can provide a good mobilization. So अब शोल्डर डिप्रेस करने के लिए ये नहीं करना है कि तुम लोग क्या करोगे, लाइक तुम इसको पकड़ के ऐसे खींच रहे हो, हाँ, someone is like doing this thing. तो स्ट्रेच just have to do. स्टैंस तुम्हारा जरूरी है. अभी क्या था, मैंने फॉरवर्ड लेग पे स्टैंस लिया हुआ है, ठीक है. मेरा वेट किस पे है? फॉरवर्ड पे. आई जस्ट होल्डेड इट अप, यहाँ से मैंने ग्रिप बनाई है अपनी शोल्डर पे, एंड आई एम डूइंग नथिंग. मैं अपना बॉडी वेट यूज करूंगी. व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई विल यूज माय बॉडी वेट एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शिफ्ट माय वेट ऑन माय बैक लेग. इज इट द शोल्डर इज डिप्रेस्ड, यू फीलिंग इट, ओके? सो अब मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है, मैंने हाथ से कोई फोर्स नहीं लगाया. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग इन दिस वे, आफ्टर 2 or 2 therapies or after 4 sittings of the neural mobilization, you will have pain in your hand. So this is very important. Use your body weight instead of using your hand and everything. So shoulder depression. So what I have done, like I have taken my stance only from front foot to back foot. That is the first step I have done. Now I'll ask the patient, is there any pain to you? Is there any stretch to you? Is there any pain to you? Okay, so she will say no, I'm fine right now. The second component is now taking the shoulder into abduction, and the abduction is up to 110 degrees. So this is 90. I'll take it as 100, and now I'll take it as 110, somewhere here. So I'm maintaining this position, I'm maintaining this thing again, and now maintaining my elbow extension. Now I'll ask, is there any kind of pain to you? We stretch? No stretch. Now I'll ask the patient for her elbow extension. Okay? Is there any pain to you? No. Now what I'm gonna do? Take her wrist into extension. And is anything there specifically?
Forearm in supination.
Forearm in supination is already there.
Wrist extension and thumb extension.
This is the position. Okay. Now the last component to put the maximum stretch is something. I'll ask her to side flex her neck. Okay. Side flex, not rotate. Side flex.
Lateral flex.
Can you perform the side flexion on her neck? Look at me. This. Maximally you can do. Okay. So is there any kind of stretch to you right now? Because she is normal. So this is, अब जो बंदे gym जाते हैं ना, the persons who are going gym and doing contracted positions, if you're going to perform all these things to them or any cervical patient, you will have, in fact, you can try right now, like this is the self-mobilization of the median nerve. You feel stretch on this thing. Do it, perform it like this, put your shoulder like this. This was only my stretch, not the mobilization. Now I'm talking about the dynamic mobilization of my nerve. Okay, so I have a two component. Either I can mobilize it from proximal aspect, or I can mobilize it from the distal aspect, or I can mobilize from the both aspect. That is the most complicated neural mobilization therapy. Okay, so first of all, if suppose the patient is having carpal tunnel syndrome over here, she is having very much pain, or she's got injected, operated, whatever has been done, I can't touch this portion, but I say even then I have to mobilize my median nerve. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to touch this much of the portion of the median nerve. I'm not going to do anything over here. Okay, and will mobilize through here. Okay, so what only I can do that, I can put her on the shoulder depression, elbow flexion, and the wrist will be free. Okay, then I'll ask her just to go back, do this, okay, and come to your original position. Then go back and come to your original position. So my median nerve is proximally getting mobilized right now. Okay, this is the thing. 1, 2. Okay, you are stretching it, you're getting it back. You're stretching it, you're getting it back. Once the affected patient will tell you, yes ma'am, that it is coming throughout the hand. The sensation, the tingling is generating throughout the hand. Okay, 1 or 2 days you'll just do this thing. 4, 5, 10 mobilization, 15 mobilization at a time. And then progress it toward the distal now. Distal progress karne ke liye, now I have done the same thing, I have kept it here. I'll ask my patient, what do you have to do? Just take your wrist back and take your, yes sir, for the distal kar rahe. So take your wrist back and then come back. Okay, flexion and extension of the wrist only. So सारे component lock कर देना है. Okay, like lock the shoulder depression, lock the abduction, lock the extension. Okay, all the complete in supination. Okay, fine. And then ask her to flex and extend. You feeling some stretch? You comfortable ना? Pain नहीं है ना? Fine. So you have to do this thing. अब ये distal हो रहा है. अब इसमें मेरे को दोनों use करना है, like proximal, distal, both. So what I can do? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are stretching it from here also, and then getting back. You are stretching it from here, and getting back. So the nerve, it is getting stretched at a time and then getting back on a time. So pura pressure आएगा उसपे. So this is what is sitting at. So we can ask the patient to perform like this and just do the extend the elbow and take your neck on that side. Okay, and then come back. And she is doing the rotation. Always know this is side flexion. Side flexion and then come back. Side flexion and then come back along with this thing. So this is the neural mobilization for the median nerve. Is it clear?
Yes,
ma'am. She is a complete